Yes, my people, you want to know how garri is being made from cassava. Inside this video, we are going to show you process by process, from peeling, from washing, from grinding, everything. So this is cassava tree, so I'm going to cut it. The first thing is, so uproot the cassava. As you can see, this is the cassava. Hello guys, hope you are enjoying it. So this is the second process, how garri is being made from cassava. So this second process is peeling. As you can see, there is difference between these two. So the difference is this one has been peeled while this one has not been peeled. So that is how it goes. So you have to peel it. That is the second process. So the peeling is very easy, very easy. Just cut, please. You have to be careful. You are enjoying it. So this is how to peel it. So we are going to the third process, and before we go to the third process, after peeling you have to wash it. So I'm going to show you how to wash it, so that all this dirty you have to remove it. So you need to wash it very well, because you are going to eat it. Okay, follow me. So thank you guys for watching. So this is the third process. We are going to be using this machine to grind the cassava. So this is the engine. So this is where we are going to be putting the cassava, and it will be coming out here. This is the cassava after grinding, and as I was told, they will leave it like this for 3 or 2 days for the cassava to ferment. Some people leave it for 4 days, some 2 days, but she said she's going to leave it for 3 days. And also she decided to pour her own here. Some people put it inside sack, you can see sack. So after 3 days we'll continue the processing. Yeah, so after the 3 days, now she has packed the cassava inside a sack. There are many sacks. You can see the other sack there. But so after packing inside the sack, they have to press it. So the pressing is to remove the water from the cassava. so that it can be strong for frying. Because the last process is frying, they have to fry the cassava and it will now turn to garri. So this process, you can see this is the iron. You can see the iron. You can see this is the cassava. Now it's hard. You can see the water. The water is coming down, coming out from the cassava. Yeah, this process is to separate the ungrinded cassava, yes, from this one. As you can see, raise it up, it's okay. Yeah, you can see this, you can see this, then you can see the ungrinded cassava that is trying to separate so that they can fry it. So this is the process. This process is to separate the ungrinded cassava. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah, put more. So after this process is frying. Láyé tí mo wá mi wá fẹ́ jìyà. Ìyá dàbẹ̀ yẹn ló pẹ̀t ní. Àwọn Chelsea ò ṣe Bades. Wọ́n ti rí kíní ẹ̀ ó tẹ̀sí wá jòkó lé ọpọ́n. Ẹ lè fún mi ní ìdẹ́ yìí fẹ́ mú báyìí. Ó wà lóko yìí. Ẹ lọ sí máa dé. Ẹ lọ pàṣẹ sí. Ókè, ẹjọ́ rẹ̀ ní kú o. Òkú tó bá dá ní mọ́mí Adẹ́nu mi. Yes, welcome back guys. If you have been following us, we have been showing you how to make garri from cassava. So this is the last process, and as you can see, this is what we call agbagba in Yoruba. We can call it a big fry pan because it is used to fry the garri. So you can see the process. Cameraman, come closer, come closer. Let me show you very well. You see the agbagba. So when you put the garri inside, this is the wet garri. When you put it inside, so we'll be shaking it front, back, front. So after that, then come. Let me show you something. Can you see this? So this is the final result. You can see. So this one now is eatable. It makes sense. So this is how to make garri. If you like this video, subscribe, share, so that we can bring you more video of creativity, how things are being done. I love you.